I'm going to show you another feature of Google Classroom that you may or may not know of. So I've logged into a grade 5 student's account, and on this classroom page, of course, you'll find all your classes. Now, I have mentioned before that under each class are all the assignments that are due either today or this coming week. So in French, Madame Strike has an assignment due today. I have a math assignment due today. Frau Schmidt has a social assignment that's due Friday, and then a whole bunch of stuff in language arts that's due today. Now, sometimes that's difficult to keep track of. So what Google has done is they've made a nice little calendar for you. So I recommend you go into the 3 lines on the left-hand side here. And if you click calendar, what it does is it gives you a calendar for the entire week. Now I can look at these arrows here. And that was last week's calendar, the week before, the week before that, the week before that. So as you can see, some days are more full than other days. This is our week. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because it's good to know when things are due. So today it looks like there's a ton of stuff due. Now I feel like all of these assignments, other than reading assistant, were assigned last week. In fact, I know they were assigned last week because I was the one that assigned them. Other than Madame Strike's French, but I feel like she gives you an entire week to do it as well. So if you're freaking out about, oh my gosh, there's so many things that are due today, well, they weren't all assigned today. The only thing that was assigned today was reading assistant. But this calendar allows you to see what's coming up. So instead of just looking each day, well, now you can see that, okay, there's a social assignment that's due Friday, nothing due on Thursday. There's a couple of assignments due on Wednesday, and a music assignment that's due Tuesday. So what you can do is you can spread out your time. If you know that you have 2 assignments due on Wednesday and 1 due on Friday, maybe you won't do the social assignment until you have some time on Thursday, but you know that your yellow belt recorder assignment is due tomorrow, so you better get on that. So what this does is it helps you organize your day, your week, so that you can see, oh, Mondays are a heavy day. I should get stuff done during the week so that I don't have as many on Monday. Now, if we go to the next week, there's already things that are due next Monday. Okay, so I have a typing practice that was assigned today, but you have all week to do it. The week 21 spelling words were assigned today, but I gave you an entire week. And it looks like Madame Strike has released week 6 assignment, but she's given you the entire week. So what you need to do is look at your calendar and prioritize your tasks. What's important that needs to be done quicker and what can wait until later.